Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Snowflake SSO with Okta, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Snowflake single sign-on using Okta, begin by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications tab in the main menu. Click on Add Application to start the process. In the search bar, type Snowflake and select the Snowflake application from the results. Click Add to create a new application. Under the General Settings, enter a name for your Snowflake application. Configure the sign-on method by selecting SAML 2.0. In the SAML settings section, you will need to enter the appropriate values. For the single sign-on URL, use the URL provided in your Snowflake account. Fill in the audience URI, SP entity ID, with your Snowflake account identifier. Scroll down to the Attribute Statements section to configure user attributes. Add the following attributes: email, first name, and last name. Make sure to map these attributes correctly based on your Snowflake. Once you've made all the necessary configurations, click Next. Review the application settings and click Finish to complete the setup. You should now see the Snowflake application listed in your Okta dashboard. Next, log into your Snowflake account using an administrator role. Navigate to the Account tab to access the configuration settings. Select Security from the drop-down menu. In the Security settings, choose Identity Providers and then click Add. Select SAML and enter the required information from your Okta application. Copy the required values such as SAML2 web app and SLO URL from the Okta configuration. Paste these values into the corresponding fields in Snowflake. After entering all necessary, now, you'll want to test the integration to ensure it's working correctly. Go back to the Okta dashboard and initiate a login via the Snowflake application. If configured correctly, you should be redirected to Snowflake automatically. Verify that your Snowflake instance recognizes your Okta credentials. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Snowflake SSO with Okta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.